actually like power expression, self-confidence, then we can make out other things. Even self positive, same question will also answer whether he's got a positive attitude, because he's not taking defeat easily.
Buses. The buses and
but then it'll take two. Actually you have to send them there.
To send them
there. Okay. We take the buses, go to Rapid Youth.
And then even
there's bicycles.
And even the friends can reach the hospital in time by the bicycles.
Yeah. As an hospital, it is closer, so they there.
And then the police who came from the hospital to inform about the thing.
Athletes and all, like strong people, so we could ask for some help maybe.
Okay. And if they have a mobile, we can send through messaging.
No,
there's no network. There's no coverage.
Even if you have phones.
Yeah. People who go on the bicycle to Rallyfest Hospital, they can
even bicycle.
Okay, in the bus for that
15.
Yeah, but then isn't the foot track longer according to the map? The foot track looks longer.
Yeah, and it even passes through the Nalanda.
Foot tracks.
Okay, we picked them up already. So they're already drowsy. So we're gonna put them in the bus in which the children came to the youth club, and even the children suffering from food poisoning in the same bus which they came in, and we're gonna take them all the way to Rallyfest Hospital.
Reporter from the Deccan Chronicle. My question is to the GSFC coordinator. How do you plan on controlling the air pollution in the city? I mean, what are the different methods that you are going to implement?
To control the air pollution, like we have strictened up the police officers for checking the vehicles for any pollution. Tell people not to burn plastic and all, which we see in and around.
I'm going to spread the word to everyone.
How do you know who is going to participate? You don't know who is going to participate. There may be half of them may be first time entries, you know. So how do you know that who is going to participate?
First, I'm going to tell everybody what's happening. And then those people who want to participate can send me a letter or maybe something like that. And then whatever I get and whatever I figure out from that, I'll set up like different activities. Maybe divide, like if it's somewhat number of people, divide them into groups and then make the activities and put them in.